Down news dictation 65 new para. Has the storm passed? Question mark. The coming days will tell. Full stop. The ruling coalition's much debated constitutional package was finally endorsed by the Senate late Sunday evening, capping off weeks of fervent politicking and negotiation over its different provisions. Full stop. It was headed to the National Assembly at the time these lines were being written. Full stop. Compared to the draft that had emerged after the abortive first attempt to bulldoze the amendments, the bill approved yesterday appeared to be a more watered down version. Full stop. Even the PTI, which lost an important opportunity to suggest improvements in the bill by boycotting the voting process, acknowledged that it was much better than the initial proposals. Full stop. New para. The party's leader in the Senate, Barrister Ali Zafar, was profuse in his praise for JUIF Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman for this achievement, even though he maintained his party's reservations on the new process for judges' selection and key appointments in the superior judiciary. Full stop. The bill endorsed by Parliament included 22 amendments in all, less than half of the over 40 provisions that were part of earlier drafts. Full stop. This depleted version was also almost universally acceptable, with PTI leaders saying they would have participated in the voting process if it was held at a later date, mainly because they still needed to consult their jailed party chief on some remaining items. Full stop. From first impressions, it appeared that the new appointment process for the Supreme Court Chief Justice remained the most contentious of the proposed amendments, with the government getting an unprecedented say in who makes the cut. Full stop. New para. Given the long running feuds and divisions both within the apex court and between the branches of the state and their impact on major political developments in the country, the changes being made could trigger a new standoff between the legal fraternity and the government. Full stop. How the lawyers community reacts remains to be seen. Full stop. A fear remains that the ruling coalition may try to misuse the amendments to appoint judges of their choice to the new constitutional bench or elevate a like-minded judge to the Chief Justice's position. Full stop. Perhaps the PTIs should have taken its responsibility as the primary opponent of these amendments more seriously. Full stop. The end.